Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is the 1st of February. January seems to have been, as always, really long, but also has gone really quick. I was looking back at some photos from the beginning of January and I was like, God, was that in January? It seemed like a long time ago. It's odd, very odd. Today, so it is the 1st of February, it's a Sunday. I'm just about to make some pancakes, but they're not like normal pancakes. It's got oats and banana and almond milk and dates and some flax and chia and stuff. So they're healthy ones, but they're not like normal pancakes, but they're still really nice, especially if you put a little bit of agave over the top and add a load of berries and stuff. So I will show you them once they're done. I'm also going to make a turmeric latte, which, let me show you, is this one. I saw this on Ali's channel, Little Drops of Wonderful, and I thought, oh, I'm going to try that. So I went to Holland & Barrett and I got some of this and it is really nice. So we're going to have that as well. And then we were going to go for a walk, but it's just started chucking it down with rain. So I'm not sure if that's still the plan or we will try something else. But I have got a lot of packing to do. I've probably mentioned in vlogs, like my allotment vlogs from probably 2 years ago, saying about us moving. That's why we're, not doing as much on the allotment, blah, 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 blah. And we actually put our house up for sale last year, October. Finally got around to doing it. I was supposed to do it the year before, but it didn't get around to it. So finally got that on the market, sold. Unfortunately, we found a house. Unfortunately, it fell through. So we're going to be moving into rented accommodation so that we don't lose the sale of our house or to hold them up anymore, because that's not really fair on them either. So we still don't know time scale. We've asked the solicitors, they don't give you any information really. But we're sort of guessing possibly end of this month that we will be moving out into rented. So we need to find somewhere first that takes animals, because we've got dog and cats, and that isn't too expensive, because obviously you don't want to be spending a fortune on rented accommodation. But it also means I've got to pack up the house, and I have been doing it over the last month or so, and getting rid of stuff that we don't need, but it just seems never ended. You don't realise how much stuff you've got hidden in cupboards that you're suddenly bringing out. So the house is chaotic, there's stuff everywhere, boxes everywhere. It's driving me insane really. I'm finding it all quite stressful, but that's why I want to take a little bit of time out today to do some things that isn't house related. And I think that's what I need to do, not just think house, I've got to do this, got to do this, got to do this. Do the things I've got to do, but take a bit of time out as well, because otherwise I think I'm just going to go slowly insane. So that's what I'm starting off with, some nice breakfast. I have done a little bit of crochet this morning and got ready, and yeah, I'm going to do us a nice sort of breakfast. It is, what is time? Oh, it's 10:30 already. Last time I looked, it was like 9:30. It didn't seem like an hour ago. Anyway, it's 10:30, so this would be like a brunch thing, and then we'll see what the weather's like and whether we go out for a walk or not. So this is what's in the pancakes. So it's like 2 bananas, 6 dates. I mean, this isn't set in stone. I do sometimes chuck a few more of them in. Some organic porridge oats, some soy milk. I've not added this in before, but I just found it in the cupboard and thought, oh, I could add a couple of tablespoons of that. And then I've got some chia seed. And then this one I've not had before. We usually just use normal flax seed, but this was reduced in Tesco, so I thought, give it a go, because these aren't usually cheap. It was only about £2 something in the end, so I've got some of that as well that I'm going to add that in. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll try and type the recipe, the base recipe that I use in the comments down below, But as I say, you can change it. It doesn't have to be exactly that. If you want it a little bit more runny, add a bit more milk in it. And we don't always use soy milk. We usually use almond milk, but I haven't got any. All I seem to have is soy milk, so that's what I'm going to use. Some blueberries, cacao nibs, and what are they called? Pumpkin seeds, and also some agave to go on top. And then sometimes Lucy likes a chocolate spread, so I've got some of that as well in case she wants that. It's the next day. It's a bit windy. I'm just walking back from the shops. I just had to post a card and also return a tap that I bought last week because our kitchen tap, the cold water wasn't flowing properly. And then when the plumber came to fix it, he turned the valve, a little bit of metal dropped down, and it works again. So I didn't need the tap, so I had that refunded, and I've just got some. I've just got some. Oh my goodness, some soup for lunch. So I'm going to go home, do the soup, and then hopefully pack some more boxes. These are my childhood books. I used to absolutely love this. This is an old Marks and Spencer's brand. And I used to love this treasure hunt. And I used to dream about having a treasure hunt around the village. And this one was bought for me by my grandma. And I just love these two. Just kept them. Don't think I'll ever get rid of them ones. Some photo of my son when he was younger. I think that's come out of a frame, which is why it's cut like that. And then the girls when they were younger. I've packed up a lot of the books already. These are the last ones that I've got to do. And I have been getting rid of some stuff as I go. Right, probably don't need that. These are old athletics sort of timetable. So this was from 1997. It's actually the year my son was born. I think I competed shortly after he was born, madly. And this was 1996. This was the year before. This was a big competition in junior athletics. We used to go up to Birmingham every year for that competition, which was great. Just trying to fit these in the right kind of sizes. This is my son's baby book. Born on at 5:16 a.m, £9.07. He was a big baby.
Triple chocolate, hot chocolate. If I get a chai, will you have some?
If it's oat. I'm not. So it's Wednesday now, and actually today is beautiful. Where's the sun? It's coming through. What are you doing? Filming. Oh, is that what the back of my? I don't know. I can see the blue. We've just come to the woods because to get some photos. What is she doing? Because Lucy's been gifted some jewellery, so we've just come to take some pictures of it. It isn't this one, it's this choker, and she's actually got odd earrings in at the moment because she's got one of the ones this side, the little crosses, and the little skulls on the other side.
You use my discount code?
Hey, you're not using my channel for advertising. Yeah, so she's been gifted them, and then we can she can have a code for it, and it's an affiliate link or something.
I have pink hair now.
And she's got pink hair. Well, only in certain lights. Oh yeah, you can see a little bit there. The bottom half we dyed it pink, but where it's black it doesn't
This
really
part's
take.
supposed to be
Oh look,
pink.
I know. Look, you can see it in where the sun's catching it. Because the sun is actually shining today, which makes a difference. It's supposed to rain the rest of the week.
So small.
Well, that's because I am. I'd quite like to see if we can find some snowdrops. I bet we can in the church. Yes, we've just come to the woods. It is still quite cold. It's about 10 degrees. Neither of us, I did bring my walking boots, but I haven't put them on. I've got my new van. We've both got our new Vans on, but hers are black. Mine are white. Well, not all white, but the white sole. So I've got to be careful where I tread because it is very muddy.
Come this way, you see it's...
This is one of the benefits of having grown-up children. They can bake cookies all by themselves and wash everything up. It's fantastic.